So this one is the original formula for the missing interest, but if, just in case, the missing one is either the principal, the rate, or the time, this is what you are going to do. You are going to present interest always at the top, or it should be part of your numerator. So, principal, rate, and time. So, example, what if the missing is the principal? So, what you are going to do is P, or principal, is equals to I divided by rate over time. And if the missing is the rate, you are going to compute interest over principal multiplied by time. And if the missing is the time, then again, T is equals to interest, the numerator, and then the denominator will be principal multiplied by R. I will put some sample here, or sample problem, and then we compute. Next is the missing time. So this one now is the missing one. So we have the principal of 800,000. The rate is, this one is 800,000. Then the rate is, example, we have 3.5%. And then we have here 250,000. So we have time is equals to interest over PR, or interest over principal multiplied by rate. So the given interest is 250,000. So we have 250,000. Okay. And then we have the principal of 800,000 multiplied by the given rate, which is 3.5%, or 0.03 for the 3%, and then you put 5 for the 1/2 or 0.5%, 0.035%. Again, you multiply by, you need to compute first the denominator portion. So we have 800,000 multiplied by 0.035. So we have 28,000. So the denominator is 28,000. So we have 250,000 divided by 28%, 28,000. So we have 250,000 divided by 28,000. So we have 8.9286. Okay, so this 8 means 8 years. So we're going to compute the 0.9286. So you multiply this 0.9286 to 12 in order to get the number of months. So the number of months is 11.1432. So 11.1432, meaning to say this 11 is the number of months. So 8 years, 11 months. And what about the number of days? So you compute the number of days with the remaining 0.1432. So 0.1432, you multiply it now by 30 or 30 days. So the result is 4.296. So this one is the number of days. So she needs to pay it after 8 years, 11 months, and 4 days. Okay, so accounting entry will be, again, after 8 years, 11 months, and 4 days, she's going to pay the interest. So we compute first the notes payable. Notes payable or accounts payable is 800,000 pesos. Then we have payment of interest, which is interest expense of 250,000. And then the result will be cash in bank. So she's going to secure the payment after 8 years, 11 months, and 4 days. So the payment will be 1,050,000. Okay, that's it. I hope you learned something from the computation of simple interest. So next time, we're going to introduce to you the computation of the compound interest.